review on this. Garlic, right here. March 2021 here. I want to show you guys these. Here's the progress of them. We're gonna know if they're gonna get better. We'll let you. What's so special about this one? I bought this new one here because the other ones didn't last that long. So I bought this one here So 6 days later, I just want to show you the progress of these are the strawberries here, you know, and I did show you wonderful participants. These ones here, and these are the growth. Right now, as we speak, one of the best ones that sprouted was the Pacficia White. I'll show you how they already sprouted. So as you see, a few of the sandwiches, throw it inside of the spaghetti. About to toss some of this on the pie once that arrives, and as well as this rosemary. See the progress of this one here. This is the second time this one have popped out, and so this one right here was from Home Depot. Plant family that we have here. Sunny Phoenix, Arizona. Very beautiful.